In the previous session, we saw about the object destructuring where we can unzip or unpack the values from the object into the properties. Hi guys, my name is Hemant Panchal. Welcome to my ES6 session. In this session, we will talk about array destructuring as similar in what we did in the object. So basically what we will do is we will unpack the values from an array, okay, into our normal variables. Okay, let me show you how it was in ES5, how we were using that. In ES5, what we were doing, let's say fruit names, apple, mango, banana. Yeah. If I print console.log names, okay, let me refresh the browser. If I refresh here, I can see your apple, mango, and banana here. Now, if I want to access the mango, let's see how we were doing in ES5. It was live console.log fruit names. I will say 2. If I want to access particular fruit name, okay, in this way we were doing. Well, 0. Let's check in the browser. If I refresh here, I can see apple, mango, and banana. So this is how we were accessing earlier. Now let's see what is a change in ES6. We will check in ES6. Okay, so we will say let, and here I will specify the variable name. Let's say fruit1, fruit2, fruit3, fruit4, and I will assign fruit names. So what will happen, this value will be assigned to this value will be assigned to this. So this order will be maintained with this variable name. Okay, now let me print console.log. Let me print banana. So it is at position 3. Now let's check in the browser. If I refresh here, I can see banana here. So this is how you can access with a particular index or variable assigned to that index, okay, because that is mapped to the fruits array. Now the question is, what if I want to use, or in my application I will use only either apple or grape. This is not required for me. Unnecessarily I don't want to assign these values to any of the variable. So how you will do that? In that case, I will say let, or instead we can make the change here only. I will remove this, okay, fruit 1 and fruit 4. But if I use this fruit 1, fruit 4, if I run this, what will happen? Let's check. It will print apple and mango because this is assigned to this and this is assigned to this. There is nothing related to these numbers, okay, it is in the sequence mapping. If I refresh here, okay, let me clear console first. Now let's check apple and mango, okay. So this is the first position and this is the second position, but I want to print this apple and grape. So what I will tell this, just keep mango and banana. Okay, so what this will do, let's check. Again I will refresh here. See, apple and grape. So this is printed correctly, the first position and the fourth position. Again, let me tell you that is nothing related to the name of the variable. So these numbers are nothing. Okay, I can say root 2 and same I have to assign here. Let's check in the browser again. Let me comment these things. Okay, if I refresh here, see, apple and grape. So it is basically a mapping of index to that particular variable. So this is how you can destructure your array into these variable types.